Charleston Earthquake, 1886. On August 31st, 1886, at 9:15 p.m., an earthquake occurred near Charleston, South Carolina. This event is an example of an intraplate earthquake. It is believed to have occurred on faults formed during the breakup of Pangea. The faults the earthquake took place on are known as the subterranean faults. Similar faults are found all along the east coast of North America. It is thought that such ancient faults remain active from forces exerted on them by present-day motions of North American plate. The earthquake was preceded by waves on the 2 days before the main quake, which were relatively small and had little effect on infrastructure or population. The main quake, however, was incredibly forceful, being felt multiple states away from the epicenter, damaging buildings throughout Alabama, Ohio, Kentucky, Virginia, and West Virginia, and causing serious damage to Charleston's infrastructure. Serious damage to buildings, fires, railroads, fractures, and damaged water systems are among the event's largest citywide damages. Sources estimate that the loss of life ranges from 60 to over 100, and the city suffered a major economic loss due to the level of destruction. Families living on the streets or in the parks, completely shaken by the damages and loss of their homes, was a large change immediately following the event, but it certainly had larger ripple effects when it came to the overall economic stability of Charleston as a whole. This was a massive earthquake that caused damage throughout America from Massachusetts to New Orleans. It also made its way over water and reached places like Cuba and Bermuda. It resulted in the landscape being changed by soil liquidation and sand boils that change the layout of the land. A sand boil is when water underground becomes highly pressured and slowly makes its way up a bed of sand and then comes out of the top looking like boiling water. Soil liquefaction is when soil starts to move due to a stressor like a shifting earthquake and begins to lose form. Some fun facts about this earthquake include it being the largest recorded earthquake in the history of the southeastern United States. After the quake, the city of Charleston started adding earthquake bolts in order to keep masonry intact if another large earthquake came again. If this event took place today, it could have been much more destructive, causing an estimated $20 billion worth of damage and 900 deaths. Here are our sources.